Hi friends, today we're going to be making these gorgeous Christmas spice muffins that we've called Merry Muffins. They taste like Christmas but can be eaten as a nice breakfast, snack or lovely dessert. I'm Tila, by the way.
And I'm Rita.
We're the plant promoting doctor.
And Mom.
Welcome to our mostly whole food plant-based cooking channel. I'm a plant-based family doctor.
And I'm her mom.
Should we start the recipe then, Mum?
Yes, of course. But one thing I wanted to ask you, why you call Merry Muffins? Are you going to put any alcohol and make me drunk?
I don't think you could get any more merry than you are, Mum. No, these don't contain alcohol, but like I said, they'll taste like Christmas cake. So I've got some dried fruit here. I've got some chopped up dried apricots, dried prunes, or you can use figs, and I've got raisins as well. I've just chopped them up finely like this, and we're going to infuse this with some orange juice. So I've got the juice of one orange in here, which we're going to pour in. Mum, do you want to show the camera since I'm not doing it right? Then I've got some spices here. So in there we've got 2 teaspoons of ground cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of ground nutmeg, half a teaspoon of ground cloves, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, as well as a 1/4 teaspoon of ground allspice and a 1/4 teaspoon of ground ginger. Now it sounds like it's a lot of spices. This is normally what would go in a mince pie, but you can add whatever spices you have. If you don't have all of them, that's absolutely fine. Mum, do you want to put that in?
Yes.
Okay, so then mix it, Mum. I know I always get you to mix it, but otherwise you'll tell me off if I do it and I don't do it according to your standards. Okay, so that's mixed now. Let's get a bowl for the dry ingredients. We've got a bigger bowl for the dry ingredients because the wet ingredients are going to go inside this. I've got 2 cups of oat flour here. What I've done, I've just taken some oats and I've put them into a high-speed blender to make oat flour. You can leave this a bit chunkier if you like the texture of that, but I like these to be fine so that the cakes can be, or the muffins can be soft. So if we put that in, there's a lot of myths going around about oats as well. People think they're full of sugar and bad for you, but they are so wrong about that. They contain soluble fiber, they can lower your cholesterol as well as lower your blood pressure. They are so good for heart health because they contain chemicals called beta glucans. Next, we've got half a cup of almond flour. There you go, Debbie. If you are nut free, then you can just substitute this out for more oat flour. They'll just be a bit more denser. And then we've got some baking soda and baking powder. Okay, Mum, do you want to give that a good mix?
Yes.
Okay, let's do the wet ingredients. I'll just put that to the side. Let's get another bowl. There you go, Mum. We've got some applesauce. So, Mum, if you can put that in, just use a spoon from the fruit. Don't waste, don't create more washing up. Okay, then we've got some maple syrup. Before we actually juiced the orange, we took some zest from it. So this is a zest of 1 orange. Now we've got half a cup of plant milk. Mum, if you put those in. Okay, one more thing to go in and then you can mix it. This has a bit of alcohol in it, Mum, I think. Is that all right? No, I'm joking. All right, so we've got 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And if you mix that for me, Mum.
Smells really, really nice. Wow.
You love your mince pies, don't you?
Orange.
So now we've got the dry ingredients. Mum, if you put the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients, and then I want you to mix it, but just do it gently in a figure of 8 motion. You don't want to overmix this because otherwise these muffins can get dense, okay? So this will make about 12 to 14 muffins. All right, do you want to put it in?
Yes.
All right, if you mix that now in a figure of 8. So we're thinking about our next recipes for January, and some people have commented and said that they want some high protein main meals that are quick to put together. Please comment in the comment section what you would like. Okay, if you want to put the dried fruit mixture in there, Mum, that's been soaking for about 10 minutes now. Mum, are your hands okay there? It's like you're a contortionist.
Yeah.
Do you know what a contortionist is? They're people that do like funny shapes with their bodies. Okay, so now I'm going to get the cupcake cases. I've got about 12 cupcake cases here, but this will make about 14. And you can freeze this mixture if you like. You can actually make this into one big cake if you want to. Mum, do you want to put it in?
Yes.
You'll mixed it too much, I think, now.
Yes.
So fill each cupcake until it's 3/4 of the way full, as you can see there, yeah? And we'll speed this up now because no one wants to see us spoon this mixture in. And there you go, that's it. So I'm going to give this a shake here. I've preheated the oven to 175 Celsius or 350 Fahrenheit. Mom, do you want to put these in the oven?
Yes.
So you want to cook these until a toothpick comes out clear. Check these after about 20 minutes. All ovens can vary, so just make sure you're keeping an eye on them. So I think that's done now. We've put the muffins in for about 20 minutes. They should be done and a toothpick should come out clean. Mom, do you want to get them?
Yes. Look. Looks so good. And smell, wow, really nice.
Okay, Mum, do you want to dust this with icing sugar? This is a nice touch just for Christmas. Obviously, if you're being whole food plant-based, you don't have to add this. So we've got some icing sugar here, Mum. If you just dust it over, or shall I do it?
I'll do it.
Just over the top, not too much, not a taglo. That's it,
You're
lovely.
telling me
oh,
about
wow, you do
taglo?
it better than me.
Obviously, I'm your mum.
And Mum, did you know that oats have a hormone called melatonin in them, so they can actually help you to sleep?
Oh, so after eating this today, I will sleep tonight well.
Okay, I've got a special thing to put these on. We put this right in the middle for Christmas. And if you put some on there, Mum, and I'll decorate this with flowers. And Mum, let's not ruin this pretty picture. Do you want to try one? You always get the honours.
Wow.
They're lovely when they're just baked, actually.
But Tila, where's my custard?
Mom, you are so hard to please. I have got a recipe for custard on my website and I will link that in the show notes.
Really nice.
So what did you think, Mum?
Really nice.
Good. There you go, some Christmas spiced muffins that are great for a breakfast, snack or lovely dessert for Christmas. Mum, do you want to do the honours?
Yes, if you like the recipe, please subscribe and don't forget to press the bell button and share with your friends and family so they can have really wonderful, tasty muffins in the Christmas time. So nice.
We've been the Plant Promoting Doctor.
And Mum,
Merry
Merry
Christmas.
Christmas.
And remember till next time,
Keep eating those plants.
Plant. Plants. Okay.
Pachu karo છું.
Okay.
It's okay. Remember until next time.
Okay. And remember till next time,
Keep eating those plants.
Okay, now I'm going to get some cupcake cases. Like I said, this is enough for 12. You didn't see that? All right.
So do it like this.
Okay, all right. Okay. As well as some baking powder there.
Pachu kar. I'm adu rak.
I'm giving it to you.
Okay, you know, keeping
Okay,
it like
okay,
this.
I'll give it to you.
Well, you are lazy.
I'm
washing
lazy.
Up. Yes, you don't like washing up.
I do it though, don't I?
Yes. If you have to.